Hello everybody, it's Mustang Rick Clark. It's my name. Okay, I have this EcoBoost Mustang almost put together. I'll show you the underneath. He done put big exhaust. He done put the big exhaust on it. Looks pretty good. I got all that on now. You can see it looks pretty good looking rig. Hooked to the turbo, and you can see this is all new motor, new starter, new alternator. It's all brand new. Now he's wanting me to change this intercooler out. He's went and bought an aftermarket intercooler, so I'm kind of dreading that. I guess I'll learn. Take this thing down and show you a peek at let's see here. Show you a peek at the engine. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I know it's been a job, but you know, everything's there. You gotta work to make it work. It's good. I mean, taking it apart is worse than putting it back together, in my opinion. Alright, here we go. You can see. Now, I just stuck this on. He bought a bunch of aftermarket air in the cold air stuff, so I guess I'll be pulling the front bumper and all that off to get to that. I got everything else except for the cold sides, all I like being done with it. Pretty little Mustang. $17 or $18, I ain't sure which. Nice car though. Well, anyway, that recaps this deal. I guess the next video will be taking the front end off and mounting all that new intercooler and cold air kit. Alright. Appreciate you. Appreciate you watching my videos. You might have done. I appreciate it because, you know, I ain't the best mechanic work, but I'm pretty good. I mean, full of these old Fords. Of course, I went through General Motors. I had Chevelles. Of course, I still like Chevelles. I've had 66 Chevelles, 269 Super Fords, 66 Super Ford, 68 Super Ford, 270 Super Fords, had 269 Super Fords. Then I've had Mopars. I had a 68 Super B. I had a 68 GTX. I had a 69 Dart 340. What else? Demon, 71 Demon, 340. But I always come back to Ford. I just like Ford, and about all these guys up here at General Motors, and I get sick of hearing their mouth. I tell them, you know, it ain't the car, it's the whole driving it, right? So that's why I stuck with Ford, and I meant to make a mark in this county, and I think I have. My Fords ain't slow. They're pretty fast. Especially out over there. And this one right here ain't no south either. Ain't none of them no south. That Comet runs good too. So, you know, I've made my mark here. Anyway, catch me on the next one. Appreciate you guys. Just get some more people to like and subscribe and help me build this up. Thank you. Mustang Rick out.